So today we're going to go through how to create a Google Sites for your blog that like we did today. Oh, I'm a mess. I apologize, y'all. All right, so we're on sites.google.com, or you can click the link in Google Classroom. So today we're going to go and you're going to click a blank site. If you want to go back and use one of the templates, that's absolutely fine. I'm just going to show you the bare minimum what was done in class today. So this is a basic site. Remember, when we're doing blogs, because this is going to go out to the world, no identifying information. You may use your first name. You can say how old you are. You can say you're in junior high. Do not say Oakdale. Do not say give your number out, et cetera, et cetera. So what we should do is you're going to take what you put on your paper blog and create a real blog out of it. So right here at the top, right here where it's the title, is the title of your whole blog. This is your home page. So I would make mine like this. So this is your homepage. This is the first thing that people who come to this site are going to see. And you can totally make it however you want. Again, it's your page. So how do you want it to look for those who come here, right? You can change the colors. You can change the font. You can do whatever it is that you want for you, okay? So there you go. Up here where it says untitled, name it the same of what you put in the box. So make them identical. So you should say your title here and it up here. Okay. Then on the right-hand side of your screen, all this stuff right here are your tools. Your tools have insert, so things you want to add to your page. You have the pages, which we'll do in a moment, and then themes. Actually, let's do the pages now. Let's move my face a little bit here. Well, there we go. There. And you have all these different buttons and things, which we'll talk about in a second. Let's add a page. Click on pages. You'll notice that you have your home page. This is, again, the first thing that everyone's going to see. Then I want you to click plus and new page. The first one's going to be ELA blog. And then add done. Notice it added it to the top up here. It also highlights it here. This is bold and this is blue, so you know what page you're working on. You may decorate this however you want. Just make sure that you please leave ELA blog. Okay, let's do it again. So we're in a new page. We're going to add personal blog. Now, each of these blogs have a different job. So the personal blog will be stuff that you get to do whatever you want on it. The ELA blog, is going to be when I assigned you a topic. So for example, the bicycle from the other day, the last week, you would put it in your ELA blog. There might be days where I'll be like, okay, put something in your personal blog. So if you like photography, you can add the latest pictures and talk about them. If you are an artist, add pictures or images of the art you're creating or the digital art. If you cook, put the recipes, the last thing you cooked. If you just came across a funny YouTube video and you want to share it appropriately, of course, add that link and then talk about it. What made it so great for you? So ELA was stuff I personally give you, assignments, and then the personal one is going to be whatever you want. All right, let's go back to home. Once you click home, it should have your title there. Themes are ways you can change what it looks like. So you can change that. There's different things here. Just know any of the themes will go on all your pages. Up here, you can change your image. You can upload or select one. It's totally up to you, but there's a whole bunch of things going on. I always like this one. So I'll add that. Okay. So make it yours. This is your page. What I would like you to do now is go back to insert. So it has layout, so it makes it really nice and pretty. It has all these different things, table of contents. You can add a whole bunch of pictures, a button if you want to share your Instagram if you have one, your YouTube channel, Twitch accounts. Just make sure you get permission to do so. You just add the button and then you name it. So maybe it would be Instagram. And then you would add the link. So it would be instagram.com/whatever your username is, and it would add a button for you. YouTube. So if you want to have your YouTube video and etc. So there's all these different ways that you can add it. What I need you to do today, though, is add the first one with the image and the text. Again, you can change the information. Oh, I love it. It's purple. y'all. This is where you're going to upload an image from your blog. If you have your paper blog, take a picture of it and upload it here. If you do not, then you can totally add one from your Drive or that is on your downloads list. If you do want an upload, you can select an image maybe you already have. Maybe if you don't have your blog, you can add a picture of yourself. Whoa, that's really large in charge. That's okay. And then right here, it's going to be all about you. So that hopefully this is the information from your blog that you wrote. Again, you can make it yours. You know, I can't help myself. I have to do it right now. And then this is where you talk about whatever was on your blog. If you don't like it, you can change it, you guys. Make it yours. But it should be a little information about you. If you want to add more stuff to your homepage, like stuff you're into, stuff you like, that's fine too. And that's all I'm sorry, that is not all we're doing today. Just kidding. Up here at the person and the plus, you're going to click it and you're going to add my name. I just need access to your blog. For just double checking things, I won't change anything. I won't mess up your blog, I promise, but just press send and it'll send it to me. Okay. The next thing, if you add some links and you want to double check them, that's what this amazing button's for. It opens it up. So now it looks like an actual web page, right? And so then you can click on the links and see. When you're done with that, just press the blue X and you're good to go. The last thing, and we'll talk more about this tomorrow, is the publish page. Once you have you're ready and it's good to go, you can publish it. That doesn't mean, guys, that your blog and your webpage is set in stone. It's a living document, so you can change it all the time. What this means is the first time you press publish or you make changes and you press publish, it updates it, okay? Now, this is where our students have a really tough time because what do you want the name of your actual site to be? If you don't like what they put in there, it's the title of your homepage, you can change it. Now, this is where things are going to get dicey because I didn't talk about this in class, but it's going to happen tomorrow. You need to go right here and say who can view my site. It needs to say anyone. If it does not, you're going to click manage and they're going to go to the links where it says vary. And you want to make sure publish site is public. Before it probably said OJUSD. Make it public because then the world can see it and then you can press publish and then it's out there, you guys. Okay. All right. That's all the things, you guys. Good job. Have fun with it. Make it yours.